We have so much to catch up on, so let's go on a drive. I have lots of bits to get. Also guys, filming on my new camera. This is what it looks like. Just gonna figure out how I can put this into the car so we can drive together and we can chat about all the new things that are going on at the minute. First off, I'm going to go to Aldi and get the majority of the bits. And if I can't get the chocolate, I might have to go to Lidl, which I actually have never been to, so it's going to be like the first ever Lidl trip if I have to go, and you guys are going to come with me. I'm just going to take a video on my phone of what I've actually done to put the camera here. I don't know if it's going to stay, but we're going to hope that it does. So I put it here and then tied it with a charger. Let's go to Aldi. I'm kind of hoping Aldi don't have the chocolate that I need, because I kind of want to go to Lidl, like as an excuse to go to Lidl, because like I said, I haven't been. I've seen on TikTok they've got like a really good range of protein products, so I kind of want to give that a try and see if I can find any. It only takes about 5 minutes to drive to Aldi, so it's not too bad, but Lidl I think is like a 20-minute drive away. As you all hopefully should know by now if you're following all my other socials as well, especially on TikTok, you will see that I'm actually doing 75 medium. If you want to know the full ins and outs of it, then go check out my TikTok, because I do have a TikTok regarding my 75 medium rules. Anyway, that's all going really well. I'm feeling a little bit drained this week, as in like tired wise. Like, I'm waking up at 6:45 and I know that's not that early, but I'm going to sleep late. So my goal next week is to start going to sleep earlier. But other than that, everything else is going really well. I can see improvement in my fitness, I can see improvement physically, and I'm feeling it mentally. Like, I feel better about myself, which is was kind of the main thing for me, was to feel better about myself. And as I'm slowly seeing changes in my body, it kind of makes me feel a bit better. So I'm very happy about that, very pleased. And it's kind of one of the best things that I have done to stay disciplined, because otherwise I wasn't going to be staying disciplined. I was just going to carry on doing what I was doing, which wasn't, in my eyes, very healthy. I literally hate this roundabout. Oh, I nearly stalled it. I just pulled off in second for some reason. Don't know why, because I never do that. Oh, it looks really busy. I thought it wouldn't be that busy. It's like 11:30. I'm going to reverse park. I'm gonna go here. This is really not my favourite thing ever. Oh, and the car's waiting for me. Okay, I'm not going to go back anymore because I don't want to hit my car. I have my list of things that I need to get. I've worked it all out this morning. It's so busy, isn't it? I literally hate it. What the hell? Why is it so busy? I still don't have the chocolate. I'm going to have to go to Lidl, guys. I need to get 2 of these. Oh my god, I just ripped it. Running low on this, so I'm going to pick up some more bicarbonate soda. I have got everything now, so let's go and pay. Let's go to Lidl and hope that the chocolate's in there. I'm trying to get out, but I can't actually see if there's any cars, because there's a big car that was parked next to me. Okay, let's go. Why is the weather actually like nice today? Didn't think it was going to be this nice. Wait, where am I going? Another thing that we need to speak about is, when I'm filming this, it's 1 week until Brooke's birthday. Okay, and I haven't even got her birthday present yet, but I think I'm going to go on Saturday and get it. I don't actually really know what she would like, so I'm kind of thinking, just if I go shopping, I'll probably see something that she would like. This is probably one of the worst videos I could have done, because you're all just going to hear me just yapping the whole time about random things. Like, I do it all the time. When I'm going to be editing this, I'm actually going to be like, I feel bad for Kai. He has to hear me yap about random things all the time, and now I'm doing it to you guys. I feel like loads of people say random things all the time, do they not? Please don't tell me I'm the only one. I haven't even told you guys what I'm actually buying all these ingredients for. So I've done it a few times before. I'm doing a cookie sale outside the school next to me. I need to make all the cookies today, so I'll film a bit of making the cookies with you guys, and then tomorrow I will bake them and sell them. Another thing I need to tell you guys about and show you is my room is nearly done. So I got that was my Christmas present, was to get my room redecorated and done, and it looks so good. I'm so obsessed with it. I'm going to show you when I get home. Most of it's done, I just need a few more bits. Is it just me, or does anyone else think that when they're driving there's a massive gap but you don't think that you can fit through it? Like, my car is tiny, but for some reason I don't think I can fit through it. I'm 10 minutes away, so I'm going to stop talking, and this is, oh my god, no, this is what I mean. There is so much room, but I'm literally just scared that I'm not going to fit through it. But of course I am. I've got so much room. I'm going to listen to some music, and I'll see you guys when I'm at Lidl. Even when the sun don't shine, now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Absolutely just smashed that parking. Here we are at the lovely Lidl. So I need to get chocolate. Then, like I said, I want to look at the protein range, but I don't know where it is. They have the chocolate that I need. I think I need like 17, 18. Where's the protein range? Because I can't see any. I've got all the chocolate. Opinions on Lidl. It was nice in there. It was like, it felt really clean. And it wasn't as busy as Aldi. But what I will say is, it threw me off because all of the like labels were in different places to where the actual product was, and couldn't find any protein range in there. So why am I getting lied to on TikTok? I'm gonna drive home now. I'm gonna tell you about a really nice couple who I just saw in Lidl. I was waiting at the till to obviously pay, and they were in front of me, and they had like, they must have been doing their weekly food shop, because they had like a whole big trolley full of food, and I only had that little amount of chocolate. They looked at me and asked if I wanted to go in front of them, because obviously I didn't really have a lot and they had a lot. And I was like, are you sure? And she was like, yeah, it's absolutely fine, don't worry. And I was like, oh my god, that's so lovely. And then they let another person in front of them who had only a few things as well. I'm in the wrong lane. Okay, I'm gonna have to get into the other lane. Is he gonna let me go? Yeah, he is. Why am I keep on doing that? I am home finally, and I'm actually starving. It is 5 to 1. I am back now, and I've just had some lunch. I had protein bagel with some chicken and salad. Here's the dog. Bubbles, say hi. Oh no, now he thinks someone's here. I am now making the cookies. I've already done the chocolate chip ones. This is what they look like. But they're the only ones that I have done. I haven't done any of the others yet, so we'll be doing them after. But I need to do 70 grams of cocoa powder. This is the double chocolate cookies that I'm now making. Next batch of cookie dough is done, the double chocolate. I'm just going to weigh them out to 100 grams. Perfect. And then I just roll them up like this, and they'll go into the fridge or freezer. I'm going to give you a little tour around my room, but only a little one, because I'll probably do a proper room tour once it's all fully done, because it's not all fully done yet, it's nearly done. Anyway, this is my vanity now. I actually haven't put anything in there. Ignore the mess. And this is my new favourite thing, is my bed. It is so comfortable. I literally love it. So nice. Kai put it up for me. The bed was delayed and only just came the other day, so he put it up for me, and it's literally so good. I love it so much. So make sure you stay tuned to watching all my other videos because I'll be posting a full room tour very soon. Guys, that is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Bye guys.